Hey Kaiju, so welcome back to my channel. So we haven't been on a food adventure in a while. Usually I've been eating food, at home and stuff like that. But today we are going to go to Sioroo and Juke Story. Apparently they have this place called Two Hands Corn Dog. And it's Korean style corn dogs, and it just opened. Well, I think it's kind of like a food court area with food, and I'm like staring at it. That's why I'm like looking beyond the camera. And so I'm excited to try some corn dogs. These are Korean style, which I've actually never had. I think this kind of style of corn dogs is relatively kind of new. So my mom never introduced me to this kind of style of corn dogs. So we're gonna eat. I'm meeting my friend. Don't see her yet, but she said she's here. So let's go get some Korean corn dogs. What was it? Tofu and ramen?
Tofu ramen, yeah.
Tofu ramen. Tofu and ramen. And dakwan and kimchi. I don't know how to say that in English.
Radish.
These are the dirty fries. I guess they're just, well, they call them dirty fries, but look like tater tots. They look like tater tots. Then these are all sorts of hot dogs. They all have hot dogs in them. You can get them with also cheese, mozzarella, half cheddar. Well, they also have like a little side. We got all sausage. I think this is like regular. 79. Oh. So we got, I think that's the regular. I don't know what these are. I do know that's the potato one. That's the rice puff one. Who knows what the rest of these are. I think this one's the ranch one. So we're gonna have some fun. You know what? Let's go with this guy first. I have no idea what it is. So I'll stick it in my mouth.
Do you want me to go take a picture of the sign so that you can see what they are?
I have it on the menu.
Oh, okay.
The website.
Actually, you can kind of see
This is the elim.
What's that one?
It's like the elim.
What does that mean?
It's like some sort of Korean rice powder, I think.
Oh, I saw it over at the wall. They were selling it.
Bean powder with 2 hand sweet sauce. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, not really.
What's is it just a weird kind of acquired taste kind of thing?
Yeah, I think so. That's exactly what it is.
Interesting. Are you cleansing your palate with potatoes?
Give the regular one a try. Hey guys, due to a copyright claim, I'm doing a quick voiceover. So like I mentioned, I am eating the regular corn dog from Two Hands, and it is, as you can tell, sprinkled with sugar, which it reminded me of a kwabagi, which is a Korean twisted donut, which is sprinkled with lots of sugar on the outside, but instead of nice dough, which there is nice dough, you also get an added hot dog inside. So if you like meats and sweets together, this is your dream come true. Me, I'm impartial. It was good, but not my favorite. But we will continue to watch me eat more and more corn dogs for the rest of the video. So this one is the Two Hands dog, sprinkled Two Hands signature seasoning with sweet ranch. Oh, hot. Not bad.
Yeah.
I think I just got way too much ranch though. I like that.
Which one's your favorite so far? The ranch. I see. So when you get the box, you get a holder. When you get only one, it's going to roll away. Got it. I'm going to remember that.
This is the spicy dog. Nashville style spicy seasoning with 2-hand spicy sauce. I just got dough.
The color makes me worry.
It's not that spicy.
It's alright.
Oh, it's not bad. I like that one.
What's the sauce for the drizzle?
I think it says that it's their spicy sauce. I want to try the crispy rice dog. So this is their crispy rice puffs with the corn dog. So crunchy.
This probably has shrimp in it. Yeah, I mean, I get sick from shrimp, but not as bad. But I shouldn't because I really other things today. Of course, I haven't eaten that many other things. Who cares, really? It looks really fresh. I'm like,
Here's the one that I'm excited for. It's the potato dog. Chunks of potato. Oh, well, that bite was nice. I like this one.
yeah.
This is the best one.
It's potatoes.
Potatoes make everything better. Potato dog. The rice puff one. The spicy one. The regular one. Ranch and then
I'm sure what this is.
it's bean powder. It's very Korean.
Okay, that's why it tastes good.
Yeah. It's that weird kind of Korean-y.
It's not bad. It's just,
I didn't really like it. So we're gonna chow down. We're gonna chow down and enjoy ourselves, and hopefully devour some of these, if not all of them. We got cereal in a bowl.
what is it supposed to be?
Snow ice. It's like a
Oh,
really Korean